Hello everyone. Today we are going to do program to write to program to print the elements of an array present on even position. अब even position का मतलब होता है जैसे 2 जैसे 2 4 6 8 10 ठीक है इन पोजीशंस में तो ये हमारे पास इवन पोजीशंस होती है ऑड पोजीशंस का होता है 1 3 5 7 ये सारी ऑड पोजीशंस होगी तो बेसिकली हमने प्रिंट करने हैं एलिमेंट्स जो कि इवन पोजीशन में है so basically we are taking the array and these array have the 5 elements. Let us suppose these are the 1 2 3 4 5 and this blue part, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, these are the position, okay. It is the first position, it is the second position, it is the third position, it is fourth, fifth, and these are the indices, okay, 0 1 2 3 4. So basically now we will check the program, okay. Now we will write the program, that is public class demo. You can name the class anything, okay. Then we write public static void main string args, okay. Then we initialize the array. So I have already told you how to initialize the array. First we write int, that is the that is the data type, then the brackets. So basically these brackets indicate the array, ओके ये हमारे पास इंडिकेट करते हैं कि ये हमारे पास एरे है, ठीक है. देन नेम ऑफ द एरे, सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द एरे, दैट इज ARR, ओके. देन न्यू, न्यू क्या होता है, न्यू होता है हमारे पास कीवर्ड, ओके. न्यू इज द कीवर्ड, ओके. सो इंट ब्रैकेट्स ARR न्यू, then again int brackets, and here we write the elements, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So basically these are the elements in the array. Okay, now we print that the system dot out dot println the elements of the given array on the even position. So now we will use the iteration, that means for loop. So basically we will start from the 1, then I less than ARR dot length. Length means how many elements are there. So basically there are 5 elements. I less than 5, that means it will be starting from 1 and till 4. Then I is equal to I plus 2. Why we have taken I plus 2? Because for the even position, because we need to calculate the elements at the even position, okay. Then after writing the for loop, we basically print the ARRI, okay. We basically print the array, okay. So basically this is very simple program and it is very important, and maximum companies ask such type of simple questions. So thank you very much.